Hello Year 2. This morning we are going to be looking at some arrays and looking at how we can split them into equal groups, which will then help us in building our steps on multiplication. Okay, so let's have a look at this first drawing here that I've done. That just look like some dots. And you can see I've written a sentence here that says there are equal groups with in each group. Now, you can see they're in a row, and you can see they've sort of got the same in each vertical line going down. So I need to split them. I want you to have a think, what does equal mean? Equal. Now, I know we see the equal sign when we're doing number sentences, when it equals something. But if something is equal, it can also mean it is the same. They're equal on both sides. So we need to see how many equal groups there are. I'm going to go, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so they are equal. We have 5 equal groups. So I can write 5 here. And then how many are in each group? We can see, look, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have got 5 equal groups with 2 in each group. Okay, sometimes you can also do it this way, because you can see, oh look, we've got 1 group and 2 groups. So then it would be we've got 2 equal groups, and then how many would we have in each group this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, we have got 5 in each group. So in the next step for when we're doing this is something called repeated addition. And usually when we add, that when we've been practicing, we've done adding 2 numbers together. Repeated addition is adding the same number lots of times. So we've got 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. We've got 2 5 times. 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. See how it's repeating? Add 2 and equals. We have done it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you've already told me there are 5 groups with 2 in it, so I know it's 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. Now what does that equal? Have a think. You can use your counting in twos knowledge to help you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, 10. Now I know you could have said, well, I told you that straight away because I could count 10 dots, which yes, you're right, but we're building on those skills to help us eventually be able to do super duper quick multiplication work. Okay, right, let's go on to the next one and have a look at this one. So here I've also got the same sentence. There are equal groups with in each group. So I can see, look, they've got the same going down, so I've got 1, 2, and 3. So I've got 3 groups here, 3 equal groups, because I can see they've got the same in each group. I've got 3 equal groups with 1, 2, 3. Let's just check 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so I've got 3 groups with 3 in each group. Now, like we did before, you can also do it this way if it works. So let's see. I've got 1, 2, and 3 groups. So this way I've also got 3 groups. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, with 3 in each group. So it's the same both ways with this one. Now let's think about the repeated addition. I've got 3, add 3, add 3. So let's write it in. 3, add 3. Oh, it's quite tricky doing it on the laptop. 3, add 3, add 3. Oh, I wonder, does anybody can anybody count in threes to help them? If not, let's just count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. our total is 9. Okay, well done. And then the last one, right at the bottom here, they're a bit wonky, these lines. So let's see how many equal groups we've got within each group. So we've got 1, 2, 3, whoop, make sure I'm getting each one, 3, 4, and 5. So I've got 5 equal groups, and how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I've got 3 in each group. Now, if you wanted to try the other way, let's see. I've got 1, 2, and 3. So I've got 3 equal groups. Now I wonder, can you guess how many I've got in each group? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I've got 5 in each group. So what is my repeated addition going to be? 3, add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. 3, add 3, add 3, add, whoop, 3, add 3. Oh my goodness, they're going a bit wonky. 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is our answer. There we go. So that is what you're going to do today. In your home learning packs, you've got a sheet and it says today's date on it, the 25th of February. Should say it in big numbers at the top. And you have got to complete that sheet, finding out how many equal groups there are and how many in each group, and then writing the repeated addition underneath. Okay, remember these are the building blocks to help you understand multiplication and times tables, which we will be doing in the next couple of weeks as well. Okay, don't forget to send a photo to your teachers so we can see how well you've done. Okay, well done. See you soon.